Hey, this message is for Matthew, Suupermatthew. Hey Matt, what's up? It's me, Stan. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and open up your comment here, what you wrote, on this video right here. And let me go through this and kind of like, here, this is what I'm not gonna do in this audio, okay? Or video, whatever you gonna call it. I'm not gonna guilt trap you. Don't just stop thinking that I'm trying to guilt trap you and listen to me just for once, okay? So let me go through this comment right in here. I think it is. Yeah, right here. Um, Basically, somebody says this NCR production said, "Bro, he's not harassing you. He just likes to word chat better than the actual texting. It's the same with me. I'm totally blind. It's because of his vision. He's not harassing you or bullying you." Okay, so the guy who's actually blind, okay, explain that to you. Okay, explain to you the main thesis, the main what should we call it, the main topic of our conversation, mine and yours, and what I've been requesting from you. Okay, so basically, that's it. And you say this is what you're saying. Okay, this is what you're saying. I get that. You said that you get this. Okay, and if you get it, you'll get it. Okay, if you get the whole point of me asking you to mainly add you, if we can add each other on Discord. Now, I know I made the previous video. I'm yet to upload it, but this is a fresh video, so maybe I'll cover everything. Just load one video. The main so I lost the thought here. So the main thing, okay, you're saying you get this. If you got that I am visually impaired, and I told you multiple times. And I have a question for you. Is Discord app tied up to a stream to Twitch, let's say that way, right? Is Discord app tied up to Twitch? In other words, do you have to be in the Twitch program to use Discord? Well, the answer is obviously no, right? The answer is no, absolutely. You don't have to use Discord. You don't have to be logged into on Twitch to use Discord, right? So hence, Discord is standalone application, right? The Discord is standalone application. Now, can you use Discord as a calling app? Yes. Obviously, yes, right? Can you use the Discord as a voice enabled, whatever you call it? Can you make voice calls in it? Obviously, yes, right? So, the logic is, if I'm visually impaired, that means my eyes don't work the way they should. They work to some extent. I can read some messages, but my eyes are getting tired. So for the ease of conversation, I asked you, basically, the last ever question when we were in the stream, I asked you specifically, will you ever add me on Discord? Will you ever add me on Discord? You said probably never. Probably not, basically what you said. Okay. How am I supposed to take that, Matthew? When we became friends, and I am asking you, I'm begging you, okay, I do want to talk to you. I do want to, be able to talk to you, but it's painful for my eyes to read and type a long time. On Twitch chat, yes, that is separate topic, completely separate, and I covered it in that video. If you want, I'll cover it in this video. But this is a completely separate box, if you want to call it, completely separate container, if you want to call it this way. We're talking about Discord app now. Yes, you gave me the Instagram, but look, you're saying I'm careless and selfish and a bad guy. You're saying here that I'm a bad guy. I'm gonna yet read this out loud and go through this. Okay, so you're saying I'm a bad guy. Okay, so if I'm telling you that sending, I know how it feels, dude, because that's why I'm suggesting that to you, because I know how it feels. When you get, like, let's say if there is a just check-in going on, right? Okay, we're checking on each other, saying, hey Matt, what's up, how are you doing, and stuff like that, or what are you doing today, and whatever, just a short update, whatever. um we can do audio, voice clips, whatever, on Instagram, right? What if it's a big conversation, I don't know, about anything? Maybe I'm asking you some help with computers, maybe you're asking me some help with computers, maybe there's something else. Sending minute long voice clips, and if there are, you know many of them, sometimes it's annoying. It gets annoying, trust me. People send me those minute clips on Facebook, especially blind people, visual impaired people. They send me those. They send, like, I go to swimming, right? I go swimming, right? I get out from a pool, and I get like 15 of them minute long, and I'm just like, really, I don't feel like listening to those. But since they're coming from my friends, I might want to listen to them, because there might be something important that they're asking, or whatnot. And the second problem with that, right, is it takes away the memory. Now, if you use it on a computer, that's one thing. If you use it on the phone or mobile device, maybe a tablet or something, depending on your memory, it takes away your memory, slows down the performance of your computer, the mobile device. So, with that in mind, I said it will be easier for us, for the long conversations, to use Skype. I mean, this Discord. Skype is another app, yes. We could use Skype if you want to. But, I mean, Discord is popular right now, right? So, I thought it would be a nice idea to use Discord. Now, when somebody's telling you that they're your friends, right? When somebody tells you that they're your friend, and, well, you're asking something from that friend to help, to do the friendly act, right? And they tell you, probably never. Will you help me with my, if I need help with this, will you ever help me? And you're sad, and you're asking that, and they're saying, probably never. Okay, then what kind of friendship is it? It's not a friendship. It's basically that person is using you for something. Maybe as a placeholder on your YouTube channel, just a subscriber, or somebody who sends you nice comments and stuff like that, or maybe just a viewer on your Twitch. So you're not gonna have one viewer, but instead you're gonna have 2 or 3 viewers with those in mind, but nothing more. And that's a low key, dude. That's seriously low key. That's not how you treat your friends, right? And I was trying my best to show you that. I was trying my best to kind of like, that's something that I've learned. That you don't treat friends, you don't take advantage of people, you don't take advantage, especially from friends. You do stuff back to them, right? You do accommodate them if they need accommodation. If you need accommodation, they will accommodate you. They will kind of have to, but no, not really have to, but it depends what accommodations do they need, right? So, I mean, but that's all resolvable, All right, so what happened between me and you was a simply big, huge misunderstanding, because you're thinking about one thing while I'm talking about the other thing. You're thinking about me begging you badly to add you in the chat on Twitch, in Discord call on Twitch, right? That's what you're thinking about me. That I'm begging and I'm dramatizing over that I'm not added on your calls on Twitch and all that stuff. That's what you're thinking, right? That's not true. The Twitch thing, the Twitch aspect of it was covered long way back. Long ago. It was covered long ago. We've been talking about that. We kind of resolved this, and I was talking about something different at that point. I was talking about adding me on Discord, or adding each other rather on Discord, so we could talk easily. So basically, what I'm saying is, yes, Instagram is cool, but there's an easier way for both of us. There's an easier way to talk. As friends, there's an easier way to talk. And while you're using it with Jace, you know, while you're using it with Jace or using it maybe with somebody else, and Jace probably has a good vision, good eyesight. Maybe some of your other friends have a good eyesight, right? But there are some friends that you have that have bad eyesight. And so the priority of using a voice activated app is higher for those people who are visually impaired. I'm not saying that you have to stop talking to Jace or to any other of your friends and only talk to me or to somebody else who is, visually impaired. No, I'm not saying that. That would not be fair. And all this time, if you notice, if you go back and listen to my audios that I sent you, I've been talking about justice. I've been talking about fairness. I've been talking about, and I was providing you the solutions, even in a Twitch chat when we were talking about the Twitch case. I said there's some solutions that you could try to accommodate, to not accommodate, but to make everyone happy, basically, to make everyone feel happy and not make anyone feel offended or left out or any of that, right? And you've been kind of talking about that. You've been kind of like, oh, this is not going to be unfair. This is not going to be fair if, I will end up, having to add everyone and I can't add anyone. You remember you said it after you blocked me on Twitch. You kind of were talking to Jace about all this stuff. Well, there's another solution. You don't have to add every single person on your Discord server. Just throw it out there. You don't pay for it. It's free. Throw the link out there. People join, they join. If people don't join, they don't join. It's not going to take them away from your memory on your computer. It's not going to make you pay monthly payments for it. It's free. Just throw it out there. Throw it every time you do YouTube video. Throw it every time you do the stream, Twitch. And that's going to draw more people to you. That's going to make people see that you're friendly, that you're talkative, that you want to talk to them, that you want to engage into a conversation and make your Twitch streams a fun place to be. That's what we, as YouTubers, as streamers, we have to strive towards that. And not being a jerk. It's me, it's only for me, and I will talk to my friends, and you're all just viewers and all that stuff. No, you don't treat people like this. You don't treat people like this, and yet you're calling me a bad guy when I'm saying that. And I'm not calling you a bad guy. And hey, I'm ready. If I ever end up uploading that other video, I apologize for for ruining quote quote your stream and being like this and overreacting and acting and whatever I said. I'm sorry about that. I apologize for that. And but I wish I could take my words back and just swallow them, but I can't, unfortunately. But the only thing I can do is apologize. But here's the thing. The problem is that you don't know how to forgive. You absolutely don't know how to forgive. Yet you don't know how to listen to someone, hear them out. What you could do that night when we were streaming, and I said that, you could say, Stan, okay, can we talk about this tomorrow? We'll get in a call on Instagram, or we'll text and send audios on Instagram. We could talk about this tomorrow. Don't worry, dude. We'll figure something out. Could you say that? Yes, you could. And the conversation would be over. There will be no drama. There will be no argument. There will be no need to block me. There will be no need for me to try to prove you basically that's not what I meant. And try to clear my statements out that I meant adding on Discord app, not on the Twitch chat, on the Twitch stream. And, well, at that point, you never gave me a chance to talk. You kept on blocking me and making things out about me, right? And at that point, since I was trying to contact you and say, no, this is wrong, that you understood it wrong, you took it wrong, this is not what I meant, and I was trying to apologize for what I said, you kept on blocking me, and I kept, I don't feel like losing a friend over something stupid, something really minor, something really I don't feel like losing a friend, and, I was trying to do my best to get you to listen to me and explain to you what I meant. Maybe you misunderstood I mean, I thought maybe you just, thinking about that. I badly asked you to add me on Twitch chat, in the Twitch call, in the Discord, but I mainly asked you about the Discord standalone app to add each other there and talk to each other sometimes. Not necessarily in the stream. We don't have to talk in the stream, but I mean, it's standalone app. We could use it. But you kind of like, you took it the wrong direction here. Okay, let me go through um, this comment that you replied to the NCR. You said, "I get that." If you're saying you get that, if you say, "Bro, he's not harassing you," blah 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 blah, and you agree to that statement, you're saying, "I get that. Okay, I get that he's not harassing me. That he has a poor vision, and it's easier for him to talk with voice and stuff like that." Hold on, somebody's calling me. Where's my phone? I'm not sure where to go. Hold on. Let me pause the recording if I can. 1 second. I can do this. Okay, here we go. Pause. All right, it's recording, I believe. Yes, it does. All right, so let me go through. Okay, so I get that, but when I'm in the call with my friend while we are streaming, he asks to be in it after I keep telling him no. Right there, write this statement. Write this statement. You showing misunderstanding, and right there you misunderstand me. Okay, all right. I'm gonna demonstrate what I was asking you physically to do. All right. I basically asked you to have, well, I will say it like roughly, but don't take it roughly, okay? I asked you, I didn't order, it was not an order, it was not the strict asking. I asked you if we could add each other on Discord to communicate. Now, Discord app, let me see if I have it installed because I recently formatted the computer. No, I don't have it installed. But basically, a Discord app, you don't have to be in the stream. You don't have to be in the stream. You don't have to be in the stream to use Discord. Hey, I'm talking to my other friends. They're not on the stream. I was talking to my other friend who've been friends with me, poor boy, like maybe like how much? Since 2010. We've been friends. And he contacted me via Discord asking if I could host him a small Minecraft server on my computer. He didn't have to go to the Twitch chat or start a Twitch stream to do that. Discord is a standalone application. And I was asking if you could add me to standalone application so that we could get in a call. Sometimes get in a call in it. Sometimes, yes, we can use Instagram, but if it's a long-term conversation, I don't know, whatever it is, maybe you can help me with something. Maybe I could help you with a computer problem, whatnot. We get not in texting, but we get in a call on some application. You want to give me a phone number? You can give me a phone number. We could talk there if you don't want to give out your Discord. I don't know, whatever. But Discord is free. It's a free standalone application that you can use in the stream. You can use as a standalone app to call. You can use as a server of some type, either for your YouTube streams or for your, I don't know, the Instagram, the Twitch streams, whatever you want to use. But you can use it virtually for anything. You can use it for virtually anything. If you want to add your friend list to Discord and call them instead of calling your phone, you can install the Discord app on your phone and call using it as a phone application to call a friend. Discord is versatile. It's not tied up to an application to use. Like, you know what I'm saying. Like, Discord is not a part of Twitch. Discord is not a part of any other social media website. It's a standalone application that has a call function and chat function. And if you want to create a channel on it, you can create a channel. If you want to create a server on it, you can create a server. I thought you know what Discord is. Maybe you didn't know what Discord is. Maybe you saw Discord only being used in the chat, and that's why you said this exactly in this message. I was not asking you to be added to the stream. I was asking you if you could ever add me on Discord, and we can use Discord as a standalone application. On which you said never. Well, probably not. I said, will you ever add me on Discord? And you said never. Maybe I should have been more clear and chew it up, but I thought you know how the Discord works. I thought you knew that the Discord is a standalone application and you can use it even to call your friends. Hey, if you don't have to be in the stream to use Discord. Okay, hopefully that is down. Okay, hopefully that is understandable. That Discord, again, is a standalone application. Now, I was talking to you about Discord as a standalone application. Yes, in the beginning, when we were just started talking, when I heard that you use Discord with Jace or whatnot, and I asked you what kind of application you use, and you said Discord, and I said, ooh, it would be cool if I could join the call, and if I could join the calls and I could join the streams. And then you said something about I don't let viewers on the stream, I don't like when I stream. And then we kind of talked about that, and I said, well, you could set up a server. You could, remember that conversation, the ever first conversation that your friends feel left out when they cannot talk to you and you only talk to one friend. Yes, that's something to consider, but it's completely different. It's a standalone case. It doesn't relate to using Discord application to accommodate somebody who has a bad vision. That's why I took it the way I took it. That's why I took it that you completely... I'm asking you to help me. I'm asking you to basically, yes, we're friends, but I'm asking you to, can you accommodate the fact that I have a poor vision? We could use Discord to talk. And you said, no. When we were friends, you said never. How am I supposed to take that? Well, I don't know. Again, maybe you maybe you misunderstood what the Discord app does and how it works. I'm not blaming you for that. A lot of people don't understand things. Like yesterday, I was servicing a customer with their phone, and they put the password. Dude, you should see that password. They let the phone generate the password for them, and they didn't write it down for the Apple ID. And I was like, okay, so we need to restore your phone. What's your Apple ID? I don't know. Well, and yet the Apple ID was tied up to the old phone number. Which, if the Apple ID is tied up to the old phone number, if you remember the old phone number, you can recover the data. But if you don't remember the old phone number, you're screwed. You have to make a completely new Apple ID, and your information is not deleted, of course. It's still on that old Apple ID, but you would have to prove access to it. You would have to prove that you were the owner of that old phone number and stuff like that. It's a whole thing. So I'm not blaming you for that. I'm not calling you stupid. I'm not saying you're dumb. You don't know how the Discord app works. No, I'm not saying that. Maybe you simply didn't know. Maybe Jace presented it as a Discord app and you thought it's a part of, Twitch. And I'm telling you, it's not a part of a Twitch. So let me go on and read it. He asking me after keeping saying no. I get that. He has a disability, and that's why we were talking on Instagram. But when he's going to throw multiple fits in my chat and cause issues for my friends and my viewers by threatening me with suicide and making me and my viewers uncomfortable, who were your viewers at that point? I would apologize to those viewers as well. I would apologize, but understand that sometimes people do feel left out and do feel offended. And that was the harsh representation of that, kind of a harsh example of that. I agree, and I apologize for that being harsh, but it was the example of that. That's why in ethics there are some rules that you follow. That's why our parents discipline us and tell us those rules to avoid getting into situations like these. That's why you don't whisper to someone if there's a third person in the room. That's why when you have a pizza party, you make sure you cover all the friends who come over. That's why when you have a stream, you think through, how am I going to do this? Okay, viewers are going to come, but some of the viewers who come and support me could be my friends. So if I only talk to one of my friends, how do I accommodate this? Is there a way to accommodate it? Yes, there is. One way is to add every single friend to your friends list. Obviously, no one wants to do that, right? The other easier way, the easiest way is to create a server. You create the server, you throw the link, people come, people don't come, oh well, sometimes it happens, no one comes, it's fine. But at least you give them a chance to talk equally, as Jays, as with Jays, as with anybody else who's on your stream, and that makes you seem friendly, and your streams, as I said, that they start seeming friendly, and people want to come to your streams every single time. That's not kind of like a marketing thing, advertising or something. No, it's not. Well, some sort it is, but it's more like you making a community, you building a community around your streams. And I was wishing that to you. I said, Matthew, you can become big. You can go viral. You could have a chill time. No one will feel offended if you create the server. That was something different, though. I was not talking about. Lately, I was not talking about the Twitch at all. I was talking about, again, Discord standalone application. All right. So Instagram, but Hannah, let me continue reading this. Threatening me with suicide and making me and my viewers feel comfortable. I'm not going to put up with this. So I blocked him and banned him from my chat. Afterwards, he spammed all my social media accounts trying to get into contact with me. Substitute this line that I was trying to apologize to you. All right. So let's do this. All right, and let's read this through. Okay, what's gonna turn on into. So let's see. Let's copy this message to the WordPad, right? WordPad or Notepad, they the same. Where's that application? Social media account trying to, and with me. Trying to. Let me change this. Yes, I was trying to get in contact with you. With me to apologize and explain everything. Alright. So after I keep blocking him and telling him no, so you didn't take my apology, you didn't take my explanation, right? That's harassment. Harassment that I was trying to apologize to you. And you took it as a harassment. Wow. I mean, no offense, but harassment. He caused me so much stress. It's ridiculous. And now his friends are showing up, and you're saying you're going to find my social media. Well, that I yelled at him for this. You don't do this. I honestly yelled at him for this. That's not the way you do it. If he wanted to stick up for me, that's not the way to do it. That you don't threaten somebody with, hey, I'm gonna find your Facebook if you don't talk to him, and whatever. You don't do this. So I really, don't worry. I got that covered. Facebook account, you can tag me on there. That's harassment. And it's not right. Yeah, that point is not right, of course. He is not good guy in my eyes. Well, that's the way you think about it, man. And honestly, if you think about it, about this way, I mean, I don't want to guilt trap you, but I would say it's your loss at this point. That you see me as a bad guy after basically spitting into my life, after basically hurting me so much. You did hurt me. You did hurt me a lot because I didn't see. If I knew that you would misunderstand me at this point right here, you know, if I knew that this is the way, uh, this phrase right there, this point right here, if I knew you would misunderstand, if I knew that this was the misunderstanding where you were at, I would clarify. If you would say, remember when I said, hey, if you would say, hey, Stan, all right, let's not talk about this. We can. Right? I asked you, hey, would you ever add me on Discord? And you could say, Stan, we could talk about this tomorrow, okay? Not in the stream. Let's just chill and have a nice stream, and we can talk about this tomorrow. But you're the one at your stream. Remember how you said here, making feel uncomfortable. Where is it? Afterwards, he spam. That's harassment. He's caused me. Well, okay, here. He's caused me so much stress. It's ridiculous. Um, you know, you yourself caused yourself a stress. Honestly, because you took the situation the wrong way. You're the one who said the person who basically supports you every single time on stream, comes to your streams, supports you, cheers for you when you play video games. Well, I'm one of them. Jason's another one actually of them, right? So I'm one of the people who come to your stream constantly, right? Support you, give you some you counts. I remember I even brought your friend over to basically to watch your stream when you were trying to become an affiliate. And I actually brought it in, and after all this, you're saying basically when I'm simply asking you if I ever can be added to Discord, to the app, to Discord, standalone application. And you're saying in the stream, probably not, to a friend. You should understand that you're causing stress too by this. You're basically denying your friendship right there, live on stream. You're denying your friendship, and you're making somebody feel uncomfortable. When somebody says, "I have a poor vision. Is it possible for us to voice chat?" and you're saying, "Never." Well, you're basically spitting in their hearts. You're basically spitting in their lives, dude. Well, I'm not saying you do, but I'm saying just in general, when you do this, when someone does it, they actually do that. Take it like this way, So you're the one, honestly, who caused stress to yourself out of that situation. You're the one who caused stress to yourself, first of all. I never caused stress. I simply asked you, is there a way? I could have asked it differently. Will we ever audio voice chat? Will we ever voice chat on Discord? I don't know. If I knew that you would misunderstand this line right here, I would phrase it differently. But you never gave me a chance to rephrase it, and actually, it never gave me a chance to never cleared out your point, and never never gave me a chance to clear out my point. So which caused that, right? Which caused a completely, our conversation go in a completely different way. So you're the one who first ruined your own stream, and then I'm the one also who kind of ruined it. Yes, I agree, but I apologize for that at least, right? And you didn't take my apology because you didn't hear me, because you blocked me. You kept on blocking me when I was trying to apologize. Well, and then after blocking me when I was trying to apologize, if in fact I would say to you later on when you block me, and I would talk to you, and I would say, no, I'm not apologizing. I think I'm 100% right, so I'm not apologizing. If I said that, yes, then you can call me whatever, toxic, selfish, careless, because that would be it. That would be selfish and careless, because I only think about myself at that point, right? But that was not the case. I was trying to apologize for the words I said on the live stream. Yes, that live stream was ruined. It was ruined by both of us, me and you. And you're the one who could turn those things around, who could have, right there when I asked you, again, let me repeat myself to make this point clear. When I asked you, will you ever add me on Discord? You could say, Stan, do you mind if we talk about this tomorrow? Let's just chill on the stream. Let's just have fun time. Just let's play. Let's whatever. Could have said that. Yes, you could. And that would be the different stream. Honestly, that would be the different stream. I'll wait till that tomorrow day, and we would either talk on Instagram or I don't know how, but we would have a conversation. I would clear my point out. You would say, Stan, you understand that, for example, you go and you say, Stan, you understand that when I stream and I play video game, if I play video game with someone, that's mainly I want that person to be in the stream. If I play alone, then I'm alone in the stream, and that's how I run my streams. If we ever play games on the stream, then you can be in the stream. And I could say, wait, Matt. I mainly was saying about using Discord without the stream. That's what I would say. The next day, that's what I would say. That's how the conversation would turn. I would say, Matt, I didn't mean to necessarily using Discord for streaming, or, be with you and Nicole during the stream, but we could use it whenever. Outside the stream. If you don't want to in the stream, we don't have to be in the stream. It's a standalone application. We can use it whenever. And that would be it. Trust me, that would be it. We would not have to go through all this. You would not have to block me. You would not have to, think bad things about me and call me a bad guy. In quotes, I love it. People come into my life, take advantage of me, and then call me a bad guy. That happened a lot. I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired. That's why I said I'm sick and tired. People come to me, Stan, can I have a server? Stan, can I have a server? They use me for the server, and then call me like, how old are you, Stan? Oh, 30. Oh, you must be a pervert. I'm blocking you. All this time I was hosting a server. I didn't even give a sign of a pervert or whatnot. And now you call me a pervert, and now you're spreading lies about me on YouTube. I mean, what the heck, I had that happen to me a lot, for no reason. Absolutely, for just saying that I'm older than them. Well, why would you come to me to host a server in the first place? If I gave you a free server and you offered to help me, then help me out. It's fine. I'll tell I'm a safe person. I can prove you that I'm a safe person if I have to. But thinking wrong things about me and taking advantage of me, I'm sick and tired of that. That's why I basically, it slipped out that it feels like no one needs me on this earth and all this stuff. And I was not threatening you. I was basically crying on your shoulder. So, I mean, I wrote you another message. And since I'm uploading only this one audio right here, so I might show this message to you. Hold on, let me see if I can do this. Okay. I saved it in my documents probably. Nope, that's that means hold on, desktop. Document. Oh, I'll save it as document somewhere. Document right here. Oh, wait. No. Do you want to place it? No. I want to open it. Open. There you go. I posted it twice. And I said this exactly. I said, hey, Matt, look, bro, I'm so sorry for acting the way I did. I mean, you can read. I don't have to read it because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of reading, and you see how my reading slows down because my eyes are getting tired, and yet I have to do this. All right, I have to also do this, man. This is what I'm doing too. So imagine me using my vision on all of that. So, all this coding and everything, and make sure I don't miss the semicolons and put the right brackets and all that. I literally said my nose is touching the monitor screen. That's how I look into it, so I could see all this. I can't see it from a normal distance. My eyes are getting tired. My eyes are getting used and overused. Um, so basically, that's what I said here, and you could kind of read it. I mean, yeah, I'll now read it with the tone that I wrote it in. Okay, if you want it, it might be slow at some point, but here, hey Matt, look, bro, I'm so sorry for acting the way I did. I know that you think that I'm a bad guy and all, but hope you don't. You could give me a chance to explain myself. The problem is that you started blocking me right after I said that I feel like I'm not needed on this earth. You took it as if I was threatening you, but that was not my intention. Um, that was a normal reaction, pretty much, of someone being left out every single time. And I told you that. I kind of covered that. And being taken advantage of. That's what it was. But the problem was that you would never give me a chance to explain. Started blocking me on everything, causing it to seem like a harassment. That's what caused everything. Yes, I was trying my best to explain to you how to run things fairly and not make anyone feel left out. I think that this situation should be a bright example for you how someone might feel. Toxic? No, I was not trying to be toxic at all. Sorry if it seemed like that. Selfish? Oh boy. Ask all my other friends if I am selfish or not. I go all out for my friends, sometimes falling into big debts because of that. But I honestly care about others more than about myself. I'm always for justice, bro, and I always try to make things fair for others while suggesting others to do the same. Oh boy, I have to read all this thing. I'm already tired. If you can't say it. This whole thing about Discord and Twitch was a huge misunderstanding on your side, bro. When I kept on asking if you could add me on the Discord app itself, basically what I was saying was the following. Yes, I know we added each other on Instagram, but isn't the Discord easier to use for live voice chat? Here I cared about the memory of your phone because have an hold on, since I have an eyesight problem, I end up sending a lot of voice clips that take up the memory space. My eyes are already blurred. See, I read just nothing. Barely read even a page of text, and my eyes are already blurred. But you can read it yourself. I don't have to read it to you. I mean, it's right there on the screen. You can read it yourself. The thing is, I was, you never heard me out. You never listened to me. And at the end, you started calling me a bad guy, which is causing more stress for me because I was never trying to be a bad guy, man. Never in my life. Absolutely. I'm sick and tired of people making their assumptions about me, misunderstanding me. I'm sick and tired of that. Alright? And I was hoping that you could be that true friend who would understand this and who would actually be a friend. I'm not saying be a friend and add me on Discord during the stream. No, I'm not saying that. Absolutely, I'm not saying that because I assume that you're gonna take it. Oh, he's saying that I'm not friend. I'm not his friend because he doesn't want. He will. I would not add him to the stream call. I don't need to be added on the stream call. That's something that you didn't get right. I was simply asking if whether or not we could use Discord as a standalone application to have conversations. That's all. So Matt, hopefully you see that I'm not a bad guy. I forgive you for everything that you've done. I mean, you caused me stress. You did. I didn't sleep that night. I felt crappy all day. I didn't sleep that other night when I was in Mexico and I was writing to you, and hopefully you could hear me out and you seem to be chill. You caused me a lot of stress. You caused a lot of stress to yourself, too, you know. And, I forgive you. Because, hey, we're not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. And you're not perfect. And Jason's not perfect. Sometimes we say something to each other, but there's always a space, should be always a space, to ask forgiveness. Like, hey, let's just forget about this. All right, let's forgive each other. Hey, I'm sorry for acting this way. And you could say, hey, dude, it's fine. Let's just forget about it. We're cool. We're friends. Oh, it's it's this Discord thing is, it's, life and friendship is much more worth than the Discord and all that stuff. We could figure this out. We'll work things out and stuff. We could have this conversation this way. But I mean, yeah, I guess there's this thing that you have to kind of learn in life, as I learned it, that you have to let people talk and let people let yourself to hear people out and forgive them for their mistakes. If they're not fatal, if they're not like sometimes people fight over video games. Sometimes people fight over somebody coming and griefing the server in Minecraft, or somebody accidentally deleting a file or something of Minecraft world in Minecraft accidentally happens, or somebody's placing TNT and blowing it up not on purpose, or they're trying to experiment, but they damage something on the map that the other friend built, and they just fight. They curse each other out. You should have heard what happened. I mean, I've been there. I've been in those calls. I get my computer formatted because somebody actually, it was a fight. I was in college. I was in class, and there was an argument with someone, and somebody got so mad that their server got destroyed that they ended up zapping my computer for deleting the whole operating system, because they had access to actually Windows. I didn't have the what's it called, multi-craft installed back then, but they had the access to the bare system, so they ended up just formatting the whole thing. And people were calling me, "Where's my server? Where's my server? Where's my server?" And I came home. I was like, "Oh my gosh!" I had to buy the recovery CDs and reinstall it. And then I said, "No, you guys are not getting bare access. Now I have to control the computer because I spent money on repairing it and all this stuff." So at that point, we decided to go with multi-craft, and everyone would have access to strictly their server files, and they would have to log in and stuff like that. So I did solve the problem this way because, it's it's harsh to get my computer formatted. For what? What did my computer do? So anyways, man, hopefully I didn't bore you to death with my message, but hopefully we can resolve this. And again, I'm always open. I'm not blocking you. I'm not hating on you. On my end, I'm sorry. Again, I'm sorry for what I've caused. Hopefully you're sorry for what you've caused. And I told you how you could have turned this conversation around and make it friendly, but you didn't. That's fine too with me. So anyways, man. All right. I'm not gonna hold you longer. All right. Bye. See ya.